Ever tried to beat the clock installing a door? Stick around, I'm racing this time and my wife is counting on me to be home to watch the kids later. I have a strict 2 p.m. deadline and my steel siding stuck to the concrete like gum on a shoe. What's causing it? The concrete apron is poured right up against the steel sheets. Time for my secret weapon, the Milwaukee M18 grinder. I've got some brand new cutoff wheels that are perfect for this. This was a last-minute arrangement to quickly complete this work, and I didn't have any time to prepare. This is a local business that had contacted me about installing a door, and I really wanted to help them. The problem was, with our big double edition project going on, it was consuming so much of my time, there wasn't a way I could get to this anytime soon. This guy was really cool. He runs a snack food distribution company and gave me a huge box of snacks to bring home for the kids. Well, me too. So I'm adding some blocks and some nailers for extra support for the brick molding and J-channel. We're a little short on materials, but hey, we're improvising. I'm using what I've got. Pro tip, shimming before you install works great and saves time. I set the plumb shims centered on each hinge. My dad taught me to pre-shim doors years ago and it served me well, I think. Now doors going in. My fasting method, hidden screws behind the weather seal. Works like magic. Always check to make sure your door has an equal reveal all the way around. Brick molding, meet PVC, a match made in heaven. Did you know PVC exterior trims were a game changer in the construction industry? Just a few years ago they came out with them, and unlike wood, they're impervious to moisture and insects. Plus they don't rot or warp or splinter, and rot is a really common problem around my area, especially on exterior door trims, and that's a massive upgrade to wood in that situation. I've got some 1.5-inch galvanized nails I'm using to install this J-channel around the door. The business owner had arranged for all the materials for this one, and he bought the vinyl J-channel. Normally, I would use steel J-channel, but this is what we had, and it worked. "45 minutes left, and I'm short a ladder. Time for some pallet parkour." Whew. It's just about 2. I'm on the home stretch here, and my wife hasn't even texted me yet. Still gotta clean up my tools and the mess, and I'll be on the couch watching cartoons in no time. Moral of the story, with the right tools and a little bit of hustle, you can beat the clock. Leave a comment if you've ever been racing the clock on a project just waiting to get home to your family. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.